Running an 8-minute mile up a steep grade requires the exact same energy as running a 6-minute mile on flat ground. You hit a massive hill, and your watch says you're crawling. Your ego takes a hit, but your lungs are screaming. Raw pace is lying. Enter equivalent pace or grade-adjusted pace. It's an interpretation layer that takes the extra work of overcoming gravity and converts it back into your native language. Flat ground minutes per mile. Think of it like a currency exchange. Running slow up a steep grade costs the exact same physiological energy as running fast on a track. Equivalent pace simply does the math. We use this metric because pace is our native language. Watts are great, but telling a runner to hold 300 watts rarely clicks instantly. So how does this differ from running power? Think of power as the raw engine output you use for execution. Equivalent pace is the translated dashboard display you use for understanding. Imagine a tempo run on a rolling route. If you stubbornly try to hold your flat raw pace up the hills, you'll instantly blow up. But don't stare at equivalent pace in real time either. GPS lag and terrain changes mean your watch is always playing catch-up to your legs. Trying to pace a short hill interval live by grade, adjusted pace leads to overstriding and frustration. Instead, run hills using effort or raw power, which responds instantly. The true magic is post-run analysis. Equivalent pace lets you accurately compare Tuesday's flat track session with Thursday's trail run. It validates that your effort was spot on. Stop letting hills break your confidence. Execute climbs by effort. Then use equivalent pace afterward to translate that hard work into numbers you actually understand. Run by effort, analyze by equivalent pace.